List of issues here. Going back to my journal, I need to know which issue. My journal was the third last one, which is now the fourth last one. I open a new tab. I need 2015. Let me read this to you. I'll make it very big. I'm trying. There it is. Wow, why? Why are you doing this to me? Oh God, what did I do? Did I deserve that? Did I make it too big? There it is. Organic letters. The year is 2015. The volume is volume 17. It was the 11th issue in that volume. The page numbers are real important. 2570 through 2573. Now, if you're lucky, this will get you there. Don't click on it. It's not going to help. You've got to go through the Wayne State website. I'm going to go the hard way and then show you the easy way. 2015, 17, 2570. I need the 2010s, 2015. And let's see, do you remember what volume it was? It was 17, volume 17th, 11th issue. We're going counting down. 11th issue. Does it have the right page numbers? 2567, 2570. Nice. So that was the one right there. Volume, this one, click on it. We got to go to page 2570. I know it seems like a lot. It's worth the wait. 2578. I went past it already. I saw something. Synthesis paclitaxel. This is a second article right after the first one. We may have just luckily hit a bonus round here. I'm going to right click on this PDF, open it in a new tab. This one's paclitaxel. Look, we got more. That I didn't see I was going to be that lucky. Look at this. We have a journal article complete. Nice. And you just got real happy. You're saving it. I'm going to call it PacSynth 1. I'm renaming it PacSynth 1. Copy that name. It's going to be a PacSynth 2 soon too, right here. Right click on it, say, hello. It did that to me again. And we're over here, right click on this, save as. And paste PacSynth 2. 2 synthesis articles. All right, now I'm going to work off PacSynth 1, I think. That's this one, I think. Yeah, number 1. Boom. So you're reading along, and you need a lot of background information for a good project. There's going to be a lot in the introduction. Well-documented natural diterpenoid that has been used as an anti-cancer drug. References 1 to 3 if you want to look up some background information. All right. Biological studies, retrosynthetic analysis based on this. Suggested that Takahashi's oxetane intermediate would be a suitable target molecule for. Hey, Takahashi did some good work for this previous work that these guys are starting from. I think I want Article 12. I'm just using that as an example. Article 12 might be of interest to me. You have hundreds of articles in a well-done paper, which all of these are. Article 12. I need to now find Article 12, which is Chem-Asian Journal. I need to know what that short form's for. So I can go back to Wayne. Yeah, it's got some weird fill in there. Chemistry and Asian Journal. That's the name of it. Can you remember that? Chemistry and Asian Journal. Library is open here. Title begins with Chemistry and Asian Journal. I know it's probably filling it in while I'm not looking. I'm just going to search it. That might not help. I'm just going to search it. Look at that. They've got it. 2006 to 9. Is that relevant for what I was looking at? Where's my article? I forgot already. There. 2006. Volume 1, page 370. Yeah. Where am I? Wayne, where'd you go, Wayne? There. Yeah. I hope you have an idea. And I'm already logged in, so it's going to take me now to that website. I need to go to 2006, 2000 through 2009, 2006, volume 1. And we wanted pages, yeah, I can't remember. It was, where was it? Pages 370. I'm going to keep forgetting where I am. Page 370 is in issue 3 here, 295. Okay, you got the idea, huh? So page 370 is down here. I want to find some Takahashi information right there. Takahashi. And we should have full access to his article. Oh, I saw a PDF link there I could have gone to. Yeah, PDF, boom. And then there's an article, save it. So once you found one nice recent journal article, it's going to lead you to lots of other good articles. This is another primary reference. This is a formal total synthesis. You can read abstracts and figure out, is it original research, which makes it primary? This says a 36-step synthesis was carried out in automated synthesizers. Does it say this is a review of previous work? No, it does not. This is a novel research. This is a primary reference article. So I hope this helped. You are going to definitely carefully read all the requirements in the pharmaceutical research paper. Where did I have it open here? I got so much stuff open. It's getting drafty in here. Yeah, I think it's over here. And where are all my windows? No. Go back to there. And we have pharmaceutical research here, which I thought I had open somewhere. It's probably that one there, isn't it? Nope, this one. So structure of molecule, not using ChemDraw, but I need the structure. So you can snip and paste. 3 steps in the synthesis, I need those. That'd be reactions, people, with molecules becoming new molecules. You know what synthesis steps are. Okay. You're going to do physical properties, research the dosage and use. We're going to get an electronic copy of another synthesis of our molecule. Let's just spend a couple seconds on that. So we've already found a nice article for our synthesis. Now here, I'm flexible. If you can't find another synthesis of your molecule, then find a synthesis of a separate molecule in the same drug class. Okay? And it needs to be a primary reference because it's going to be a first reported synthesis. And I want the article. And then you're going to compare the syntheses with as many pros and cons as possible for each. And that's part of your paper. And G is a big part of your paper. This is where I want you to show me that you actually found some interesting things out. It's wide open here. I need you to use it. Clinical trials are nice, toxicity, etc. And the proper bibliography. If you're not sure how to do a proper bibliography, please look at any of these research articles. They have proper bibliographies. How do they go? Authors, journal in italics, year in bold, volume and page. Every one of these has the same layout, so that's the format for your bibliography I want. Okay, and there we go. This is from back in the day when students actually had to go to libraries and some student ripped out a journal article. I've got to change this here. It's been corrected at Moodle and the title right here. I think it's pretty clear in here that this is the real one now. Minimum 15 pages. Remember, minimum papers generally get minimum grades. Although there is one example of an A+ student who had a 15-page paper, but he hit all the points I needed to hit, and he wrote an interesting paper. It was well laid out, and he got away with just doing the minimum lengthwise because he had more than I needed in other areas.
Hey, Dr. Whitaker.
Yes.
When it comes to citations, format, let's say double-styled, the font, what kind of style we're using? Is it the Chicago? Is it the MLA? Is it what
It's
kind of style are we using?
journal style. This is the layout of every reference here. At the end of any journal article you find, it's always the same layout. And we're getting used to learning how to use journals. Let's make our paper written in journal format. And yes, you should lay it out like a proper article, like here with an abstract, which is a summary of your paper. And then it's an introduction. Okay. And then you deal with all the points that I want you to deal with after. So you'd have a synthesis section, and other information section, et cetera, et cetera. And yes, when you're doing referencing for other articles, I want you to follow this format here. Notice that they want you to read articles 1 through 3 when they're talking about the well-documented natural product paclitaxels. And all the references follow like that. They have subscripted numbers. And then you list your articles in the reference section at the end. Okay, except yours is going to be double spaced. And that's about it. Did I answer your question?
Yes, one more question.
Sure.
For the molecules, the drawings and the mechanisms, do we draw them by hand and import them? Or?
No, don't do that. Right here, these are nice steps in a synthesis. So just do your best you can do screenshots and then crop things if you want. Snipping tool's always nice. I got snip. I just typed in snip in my, you've seen me work with the snip, right? It comes up with this and you do a new thing. And say you want part of this scheme for yours. So they got a nice title there and you want this to be part of your paper, you can do this. But remember, when you put this scheme in your paper, you must give a proper citation for this journal article right here where you got the scheme from. Okay? And when you're summarizing things like steps in a synthesis, like the procedures actually asked for in the project, you can come up with steps from the journal article. You can type them out exactly the same as long as you make it clear these steps were taken from this article. It's fine because, you know, a procedure, you really shouldn't change their words, right? They did exactly those things. And it's not like this is a creative writing assignment. You want to summarize their procedure, and you can use their words as long as you properly reference them, and them being the people that wrote the article. Okay? All right. Any more questions? Good session. All right, I will post this very shortly and send you an email link to it, and I'll post it somewhere also in the pharmaceutical research project area. Probably maybe with referencing. We'll see. All right, have a great weekend, everybody.